Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, today our topic is chemical properties of non-metals. As we have already studied about the physical properties of the non-metals, and today we will discuss about the chemical properties of non-metals. So we discuss the important chemical properties of non-metals. First of all, reaction of non-metals with oxygen. Non-metals react with oxygen to form acidic oxides or neutral oxides. Non-metals react with oxygen to form acidic oxide or neutral oxide. And the acidic oxides of the non-metals dissolve in water to form acids. For example, if we take carbon is a non-metal. When carbon burns in air, it reacts with oxygen of the air to form an acidic oxide called carbon dioxide. For example, we take an example carbon solid plus oxygen gas, it forms carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is a gas. Carbon is a non-metal, oxygen is also a non-metal. Carbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, and the acidic oxide, this carbon dioxide is an acidic oxide. Carbon dioxide is an acidic oxide. This the acidic oxide carbon dioxide dissolved in water to form an acid called carbonic acid. If we dissolve this carbon dioxide gas, if it is dissolved in water, it forms H2CO3. H2CO3, this H2CO3 is carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. That means these non-metals form acidic oxides, and when these acidic oxides are dissolved in water, it forms acid. We also take another example. For example, if we take sulfur solid plus oxygen gas, sulfur is a non-metal, it reacts with oxygen, it forms sulfur dioxide, SO2. SO2 is a gas. And if this sulfur dioxide is dissolved in water, sulfur dioxide is dissolved in form, it forms H2SO3. This H2SO3 is a sulfurous acid. Sulfurous acid. This is the first reaction of non-metals with oxygen. Another example, second reaction, that's the reaction of non-metals with water. Reaction of non-metals with oxygen, with water. Dear students, non-metals do not react with water or steam to evolve hydrogen gas. Why? This is because non-metals cannot give electrons to reduce the hydrogen ions of the water into the hydrogen gas. Then that means non-metals do not react with water. Steam. And the third is reaction of non-metals with dilute acids. Reaction of non-metals with dilute acids. Third chemical properties of the non-metal. Dear students, non-metals do not react with dilute acids. As non-metals do not react with water, non-metals also do not react with dilute acids. If a non-metal like carbon, sulfur or phosphorus are put into a test tube containing dilute sulfuric acid or dilute hydrochloric acid, then no hydrogen gas is evolved. That means non-metals do not react with dilute acids. Number fourth, reaction of non-metals with salt solution. Reaction of non-metal with salt solution. A more reactive non-metal displaces a less reactive non-metal from its salt solution. And for example, just like the displacement reaction, for example, if we take sodium bromide aqueous plus chlorine gas, chlorine is more reactive than bromine. It displaces that means chlorine displaces bromine from its solution. It forms NaCl, sodium chloride, plus Br, bromine aqueous. In this displacement reaction, a more reactive non-metal, chlorine, is displacing a less reactive non-metal. That means chlorine, a more reactive non-metal, is displacing a less reactive non-metal, that is bromine, from the solution of the sodium bromide. Fifth, chemical property of non-metal is a reaction of non-metal with chlorine. Non-metals react with chlorine to form covalent chlorides, which are non-electrolyte. That means they do not conduct electricity. For example, if we take an example of hydrogen gas, it reacts with chlorine gas, it forms twice HCl, hydrogen chloride. And this hydrogen chloride is a covalent chloride. That is formed by the mutual sharing of the electrons. And the last chemical property is a reaction of non-metals with hydrogen. Reaction of non-metals with hydrogen. Non-metals react with hydrogen to form covalent hydrides. The non-metals hydrogen are formed by the sharing of electron. That's non-metal hydrides are formed by covalent bonding. For example, sulfur is a non-metal. When this sulfur react with hydrogen gas in the form liquid, it forms hydrogen sulfide. Then sulfur is a non-metals which combines with hydrogen to form a covalent hydride. Then that means hydrogen gas when reacts with sulfur, it forms hydrogen sulfide. This hydrogen sulfide is a covalent hydride. So these are some chemical properties of the non-metals.